Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home, and the front porch is the first impression your guests will see. Whether you want to create a cozy spot to sip your morning coffee or an inviting entryway for visitors, there are plenty of front porch decor ideas you can implement this spring. In this guide, we will explore various creative and simple ways to revitalize your front porch for the season. Let's get started. 1. Clean and declutter your porch. Before diving into decor, the first step in updating your front porch is to clean and declutter. Remove any winter items that don't belong. This includes old decorations or furniture that may have seen better days. Grab a broom and sweep away dust and debris. Cleaning your porch will help you see its potential and set the stage for your spring makeover. This is an essential step that many people overlook when considering spring porch decorating tips. A clean space is vital for creating an inviting atmosphere. 2. Bright, colorful planters. Adding vibrant planters is one of the easiest and most beautiful front porch ideas for spring. Choose colorful pots or containers to brighten up your space. Terracotta, ceramic, or even metal planters can add a unique touch. Fill these planters with bright spring flowers such as tulips, daffodils, or pansies. Perfect for a spring home decor update. Seasonal flowers not only add color, but also create a wonderful fragrance. Consider grouping planters of varying heights for a visually appealing arrangement. Additionally, you can use herbs like basil or mint that can be useful in your kitchen. 3. Create a cozy outdoor living space. A cozy outdoor living space will encourage relaxation and enjoyment this spring. If you already have outdoor furniture, give it a fresh look by adding new cushions in spring colors or floral patterns. If you don't have seating yet, now is the perfect time to invest in some. Look for a small bistro set or a couple of comfortable chairs with a small table in between. This area can become a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Don't forget to add some stylish outdoor throw pillows to enhance comfort. 4. Lighting for warmth and ambiance. Good lighting is crucial for creating an inviting front porch space. As spring evenings can be lovely, consider adding different lighting options. Hanging string lights or lanterns is an easy way to instantly warm up your porch. You can also place LED candles on tables or install wall sconces for nighttime illumination. Soft lighting will create a cozy environment and invite you to spend more time outdoors. Remember, the right lighting can transform your front porch into a magical place come sunset. 5. Welcome guests with seasonal decor. Adding seasonal decorations is a fun way to embrace spring. Start with a cheerful welcome mat that reflects your personality. Incorporating decorative accents like a spring wreath hung on the door can make a statement. Consider a wreath made with artificial flowers or greenery that won't wilt. You can also swap out small garden statues or decorative items to match the season. Welcoming front porch ideas like these can make your porch feel festive. 6. Add a focal point. Creating a focal point is one of the essential front porch ideas for spring. A good focal point draws the eye and gives a sense of structure to your space. You could add a beautiful piece of furniture, such as a vintage bench or rocking chair. Alternatively, consider installing a trellis with climbing plants or hanging a bird feeder. This not only provides interest, but also encourages local wildlife, making your porch feel lively and full of life. 7. Incorporate nature with a porch garden. Incorporating nature will always enhance the appeal of your outdoor space. Use natural materials in your decor to create a harmonious garden feel. For instance, wooden crates can serve as rustic planters or side tables. Incorporate greenery by adding potted plants. Ferns, hostas, and other lush plants can make your porch feel like an extension of your garden. Mixing different plant types for added texture and visual interest is a fantastic way to enhance your front porch garden ideas. 8. Outdoor rugs for comfort and style. Adding an outdoor rug can define your seating area and add comfort to your porch. Choose rugs that are specifically designed for outdoor use, as they can withstand the elements. A rug with spring colors or patterns can pull your entire porch look together, making it a great addition to your DIY porch decor. It creates a cozy foundation and makes the space feel more inviting. Plus, it's a great way to add warmth underfoot and enhance your outdoor seating area. 9. Personal touches and accessories. Don't forget to add personal touches. This is where your front porch can truly reflect your style. Consider incorporating family photos in decorative frames or meaningful travel souvenirs. Adding unique decorative items like hand-painted flower pots or DIY signs can lend a personal flair. Use your creativity to make your porch stand out while ensuring it feels homely. 10. Seasonal refreshments to enjoy. Lastly, consider setting up a small refreshment station. Whether it's a beverage cart with lemonade during the day or a cozy hot cocoa station at sunset, having refreshments readily available makes your porch welcoming. Use decorative trays or drink dispensers to display drinks. And don't forget fun cups or mason jars. It will encourage you and your guests to enjoy the outdoor ambiance longer. Conclusion: revamping your front porch for spring can be a rewarding and fun experience. By cleaning, adding color, creating coziness, and incorporating personal touches, your porch can become an inviting extension of your home. These front porch ideas for spring will enhance your curb appeal and create a perfect spot for relaxation and enjoyment. So, get started today and let your front porch shine this spring. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more home improvement ideas.